The tiger, king of the Asian jungle in the deep jungles of Asia. A silent shadow moves between the trees, strong, graceful, deadly. This is the tiger, the largest and most powerful wild cat on Earth. With its orange coat and bold black stripes, the tiger is not just a predator. It is a symbol of strength, mystery, and beauty. Each tiger has unique stripes. No two are the same, just like human fingerprints. There are 6 living subspecies, from the icy forests of Siberia to the tropical islands of Sumatra. Each tiger has adapted to survive in its own wild world. Tigers hunt at night. They move silently, unseen, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. One powerful leap, and the hunt is over. They can bring down prey twice their size, from deer and wild pigs to buffalo and even young elephants. But unlike lions, tigers live alone. They are solitary rulers of their territory. Only during mating season do they seek a partner. The mother raises her cubs alone, teaching them how to hunt, survive, and become kings of the wild. But the tiger is in danger. Less than 4,000 remain in the wild today. Poaching, habitat loss, and human conflict are pushing this majestic animal to the edge of extinction. Yet there is still hope. Across Asia, brave people are working to protect the tiger, from forest rangers to wildlife organizations. Together, they fight to keep the tiger alive. The tiger is more than just an animal. It is a guardian of the forest, a symbol of power, and a reminder of nature's wild beauty. Let's protect it before it becomes just a memory. The tiger, king of the jungle, fierce, silent, magnificent.